Before this video starts, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any future tech tutorials. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'll be showing you whether or not you can trick your Apple Watch using the hand washing feature that was released in watchOS 7 a few months ago. Okay, so first I'll show you how the hand washing feature works. So once you start washing your hands, you should hear a sound on your Apple Watch, and then 10 to 15 seconds later, you should hear another sound notifying you that you're done with your 20-second hand wash. After the 20 seconds, you'll hear the ding and then you'll get the thumbs up sign on your Apple Watch showing you that you're done. Okay, so now I'll try to trick my Apple Watch. First I'll rub my hands in a hand washing motion without the water to see if the Apple Watch will think I'm washing my hands. As you can see, the Apple Watch thought that I was washing my hands. However, it was a delayed response, so in the next portion of the video, I'll leave the water running, but I'll wash my hands in a hand washing motion without putting my hands under the water to see if this is more effective. Almost instantly, the Apple Watch thought that I was washing my hands when I actually wasn't. So my guess is that the Apple Watch uses a combination of the microphone to see if the water is running and the motion sensors to see if you're washing your hands. And there you go, now you know that you can pretty easily trick your Apple Watch's hand washing feature. Also, another cool feature is that if you stop washing your hands before 20 seconds is up, it'll tell you that washing your hands for 20 seconds can prevent you from getting sick.
It's not a game, it's a rich